this is an elevator key. It's for the Dover elevator panel. It's the H2395 key. And of course, I'm going to bring that over to the Dover elevator panel. And I believe this is going to turn with all these. Yep, photo eye. Independent service, which should be off. Light. And the fan. I'll leave it in the light switch. Now we'll bring the camera back to the dashboard. Well, not dashboard. So, what this is a buzzer. And this is like a Dover buzzer. What this is going to connect to is what the buzz is going to be for. Now, this is actually not a actual real Dover buzzer. This is actually the RMB-24 because this is all I can find on eBay, but it's close enough. So, yeah. So, that's what I got in this package. A Dover buzzer. Beep, beep. And the key for the other 4 key switches for my panel. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and that will be it.